5 common body language mistakes to avoid at work. You thought everything was fine at work. Now you're caught up in a workplace drama and have no idea how you got there. What do you do when you've been saying all the right things to the right people and are still up a tree? Chances are the words were great when talking to your coworkers, but your body language wasn't. Where did you go wrong? You were slouching. Being slumped over generally means you're tired, but at work, it's going to look like you're not interested in what's being said. In the worst case scenario, you'll be perceived as not wanting to do the work, or you're unhappy being there. The solutions? Straighten up. You were off kilter. Did you know that when you are in a conversation with someone, you subconsciously mirror their body language? Now imagine what happens in a team situation if you're not matching up your actions, tone, or body language with those around you. Best case, they'll think you're not paying attention. Worst, you're not a team player. The solution? Pay more attention to the body language of others to sync your own with theirs. You couldn't sit still. People who fuss or fidget during a meeting are seen as disinterested or even awkward, lacking in confidence. The solution? The next time you feel an urge to play with that pen or grab your phone, place your palms flat on the table, sit up straight, and breathe until the feeling passes. You weren't engaging. When was the last time you had a conversation with a coworker and were only half listening to what they said? If you weren't making all the proper noises in all the right places, you're seen as being standoffish and cold and disinterested in being a team player. The solution? Lean into the conversation. Take part. Smile and nod or make noises to show you're paying attention. You didn't smile. If you're not given to smiling around the workplace, you're seen as unhappy to be there or being disinterested in what's going on around you. The solution? Find something to smile about. A fake smile is going to look false, so being able to pull up a genuine smile will get you far more mileage in the long run. Paying just a little more attention to your body language and making sure it matches with what you are saying and feeling will make office interactions go much more smoothly.